How to create a Wikipedia page for a company. If you've ever searched on Google for any given topic, and you probably have, you would have noticed that if there is a relevant Wikipedia page for that specific topic, and the wiki pages always rank at the top. So it's quite evident that any company, business or brand that has a Wikipedia page will get instant visibility when that specific topic is searched. Furthermore, it gives people more clarity on what your business does and exactly how it gets it done. That said, creating a company page on Wikipedia is great for visibility, and this is how you can go about doing it. You will firstly need to create an account. It is imperative that you double-check that you do have an account prior to creating pages. If you don't, your IP address will probably get publicly recorded in the edit history. And if this is discovered by the Wikipedia team, you do run the risk of having your account blocked. However, having a registered account gives you more credibility and allows you to gain the trust of the parent website. This also lays the foundation for the page you are creating. Next, you need to build a reputation with Wikipedia. Instead of just jumping the gun and creating a page instantly after creating an account, you should go about it more subtly. You can do this by performing some edits to prove you're worthy of it. After doing about 10 edits and your account is at least 4 days old, you should be promoted to an auto-confirmed user. This means that your edits will be confirmed with minimal review. Therefore, the more effective and authentic edits that you perform, the less likelihood of your next page being deleted. You should then decide on your article topic. Decide what angle to follow while creating a page for your company, and remember that Wikipedia is serious business. This is the site that people come to in order to get the facts, figures, and they trust information on the site. Wikipedia also performs a notability test, and this determines whether your submission is published or removed. Your company should also be doing something unique in order to be featured in Wikipedia. You can also try searching for your topic on Wikipedia. In fact, this is highly recommended to ensure that your work is original. So all you need to do is punch in your company's name on the search bar in the right-hand top corner and see exactly what information comes up. You probably won't find any pages with a similar name, especially if you're writing about the company for the first time. These are the basic steps on how to create a Wikipedia page for a company. Want to create your Wikipedia page? Get in touch with our 24/7 available representatives now. Why work with us? With highly experienced writers, we are the best you'll ever find. Only in the last year, we've served more than 15,000 individuals and businesses. Get in touch with our 24/7 available representatives now. Affordable, a promise of low cost, high standards, and reliability you won't find anywhere else. Satisfaction, no complaints at all, and unlimited revisions, or even a full refund. Experienced, years of experience in the bag, and writing skills hard to come by. Services, complete confidentiality and compliance with Wikipedia standards and policies. Contact us now.